It's quite difficult to find somewhere that's not too hot or not too cold and a bit dark. So this is my makeshift dark room. Today we have a check-in on the mead. This is day 4 and time for a swirl. Keeping this moist is the key, apparently. Plenty of activity in the bubbler. Ooh, lovely smell. Plenty of fizz going on in there. Mead day 14, and activity in the bubbler seems to have really slowed to nothing. So I'm going to give it a swish, keep that fruit moist. Temperature somewhere between 22 and 24. I am so looking forward to trying this. Still some time to wait though. Mead is on the move, ready for racking in a couple of days. Temporary new home for a few days just to let things settle. Moving it definitely kicked up a bit of sediment. You can sort of see in the bottom half there. So, but you know, a few more days to just calm that down, and then we'll rack it. It's mead day 60 and time to get it out of there and into another bottle and away from the fruit. So that was probably a mistake. Using the auto siphon a second time just to get that last bit, I managed to push bubbles through. Yeah, the last thing I want to do is aerate the mead. That's like, oh, too late now anyway. But some for a taste test. Okay, bubbler. Let's not whisk this any more than we have to. That lovely clear mead has gone all misty. Hopefully it clears out now. So, back to racking. I've recently had a bad experience in terms of the amount of headroom. I'm a little worried. Just a little early try of the mead. Oh, very alcoholic. Must work out the ABV. Definitely sweet. Slightly liqueur sort of taste to it. Very mild honey aroma. Quite a bit of sediment in my glass. It was that last bit. Oh, very warming. This is going to be a nice Christmas drink. It's nice now. I'm sure when it smooths out a little, it'll be even better. Wow. very promising start.